या भेटीदरम्यान त्यांनी बाल्टिक समुद्रावर कॅन्डेला कंपनीच्या C8 आणि P12 या अत्याधुनिक बोटींची सफर केली.
And this is where we test all the stuff. That's why we have the different holes and different equipments. It doesn't look that nice, but we are proceeding and developing the software and everything. We have cameras, so we can look around. We have radar, of course. We have GPS, and actually we have another camera looking for objects in the water, but it's not connected right now. So we can see if something is floating. It warns me when I'm driving. And here I can see the whole. The equipment to drive the boat, honestly, and the computer really helps me. It's like an airplane, so you can see the roll, you can see what's happening, and everything is automatic.
Very interesting.
या बोटी पाण्यावर ग्लाइड होणाऱ्या हायड्रोफॉइल तंत्रज्ञानावर आधारित असून वेगवान, पर्यावरणपूरक आणि ऊर्जा कार्यक्षम आहेत. P12 ही बोट लवकरच मुंबईत दाखल होणार असून त्यामुळे राज्यातील जलवाहतुकीच्या क्षेत्रात आधुनिकतेचा नवा अध्याय सुरू होणार आहे.